Welcome to Focus Garage. We're back at it again with another saving for you guys. Keep the money in your pocket from a dealership. We have a 2015 Mazda. We need to do air filter for the engine and then the cabin as well. If you wanted to do this at a dealer, it would cost you somewhere around $100, including the material and labor as well. But we will show you guys how to do it, and you can save money. We bought the air filter from Amazon for like $10, and then also for the engine and also for the cabin it was like $18. But there are other cheaper options out there, so it's like around $30. You could do this service yourself and save yourself $70. That's a lot of money saved, and I'll show you guys how to do it. It's pretty straightforward and minimum tool usage. Maybe not. I know that for the engine air you don't need to, but maybe cabin you might need a Phillips screw. So let's get started. I'll show you guys how to do it, starting with the engine air filter. So let's go. So this is the engine bay of the Mazda. You can see it's pretty straightforward. That's your engine right there, and this is your engine air filter. And all you need to do is pop these little hooks. There's one there, and there's another one right here, and it pops out, and then you can lift it from the front. So you can lift it from the front and then pull it towards the front of the car, and then just lifts up. And here's your engine air filter. You can tell this is like pretty clean, and then when you turn it around you see that it's dirty. So it's a good idea to replace this. You want to do this service every 12,000 miles, or every year if you don't reach that mile. So this is like a cheap service that you can do to help keep your car healthy and running at the top shape that it needs to be. So you remove the plastic and you make sure that this goes to the bottom. Just pop it back in. There you go. And then you do the reverse. So you're gonna start with like all the way towards you, and then push it down, and then push it towards the cabin, and then you can push it all the way down to seal it, and then put back the clips. See it better. So you can see that now the clips are all secured in there. You have the other one here. So that's it. That's all you need to do. And they charge for this. They charge $40. So that's $12. So that's like almost like $30 saving there. So we're gonna move into the cabin to do the cabin air filter and show you guys how to do that as well. So we're inside the cabin. For the cabin air filter, you still don't need to use any tools. You just need to push it towards the sides, and then so it will unclip from the tracks, and then it can go down a little bit more. There you go. And then the cabin air filter is right there. So all you need to do is reach in there and then pull it out. There you go. You can see that it's dirty. It's a good idea to change it, and this is also a yearly maintenance. This has nothing to do with the engine health. This has everything to do with your health. This will filter all the unwanted stuff coming inside the cabin, such as pollens and dust and whatnot. So you're gonna put it back. How you get it out? Just slides back in there. There you go. You push it in and you make sure that it's clipped. There you go. That's it. That's all you have to do. And they charge $60 to do that. So, and this was $18, so that's like another $40 saved. So a total of $70 you saved in your pocket. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, this was overall 5 minutes process. So you could do it at home so much easier, in your garage, on the street, whatever, it doesn't matter. As long as you have your hands, you can do it. You just need to get the air filters from the cheapest you can find. They're pretty basic. You could go aftermarket if you want to, like a K&N for the air filter, but you don't have to if you don't want to. You want to save money, that's totally fine. This way you know how to do your air filter and cabin air filter, and next time when the dealer asks you, hey, you want to do this and it's going to cost you $100, you can just say, nope, I will just take care of myself, and then order it online and then do it. That's it. That's so simple. It's very simple. This is the second simplest design for the air filter and cabin air filter replacement that I ever seen in my life. So yeah, it's very DIY, and you can do it. So thanks for watching. Make sure to comment below what you think about it, and if you have any questions about it, feel free to ask us through the comments or through Facebook. We are pretty good at responding back. And share this video to people who needs help doing this, and please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and if you subscribe, make sure to push the bell button and get all the notifications. Thanks for watching. Kudos
to all.